Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do something Eastery. We are gonna make a Trolls World Tour Easter basket filled with troll hair, candies, and I will show you how to do this. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so here is everything you are gonna need to make this Trolls basket. Let's start off with the basket. Now, this is about 12-inch round, and it is smaller in the inside. It's pink, you can use whatever color you want. I also have some white styrofoam. This is thicker so that the sticks will stay put. This is perfect. I got this off of Amazon. I will have all the links down below. And this fits nicely into the basket, as you all can see. You are also gonna need two different lengths of sticks. I have 12-inch sticks and 6-inch sticks. You are gonna need some paper confetti. I just have this big bag. I keep filling it up. Love the pink. It really, really pops out. You are also gonna need lots and lots of candy. Now, the candy depends on what you like or who you are gifting it to. I will be using these nerds. Now, I did hot glue these sticks, the shorter ones, to these boxes right here. You are gonna need 3 rope nerds. Now, I have these sticking out in the back. It's gonna look really, really cool. I have these little Hershey's candies. Now, these are gonna look great because Trolls is all about glitter. So these are kind of shiny and I like how they look in the basket. If you are making this Trolls basket, you are gonna need troll hair. These are really awesome. These are the Trolls slap bands that you can purchase. I believe they sell them at Target still, but they look really nice around the basket. You're gonna need other toys as well, like I have this Poppy one and Tiny Diamond from the new movie. You are also gonna need, these are awesome. I found these at Target and they kind of have that troll soft hair up on top, which looks so, so cool. I put the 12-inch sticks on these. These are gonna be all the way in the back. And you are gonna need the Trolly Sour Bites. This looks like an egg, but it has so much color to it. And again, it has that fun hair up on top. And that's pretty much it. So let's get building our basket. All right, you wanna start with your basket. You wanna go ahead and put your styrofoam circle right in there. Next, you're gonna grab your paper confetti and you're gonna go ahead and just make sure you can't see that white styrofoam. All right, we're gonna start with this Nerds candy. I'm gonna go ahead and poke this through. So make sure this is not falling back. So we're gonna go ahead and poke this through the styrofoam. Perfect. And it is secure, it's not gonna come out. I'm gonna do these other two right next to it. And I love the fact that these are multicolored, perfect for the theme that we're going for. Now I'm gonna use these Trolly Sour Bites. These are gonna go in the back right here. Okay, don't these look super fun? Next, I'm gonna use these Nerds candies, and I'm also gonna put these in the back. There is a little space, so I didn't really need sticks for these. I just kind of put them in between the styrofoam and the basket. Just like that, creates such an awesome backdrop. Now we're gonna work on the handle, so I'm gonna use these slap bands now. Now I'm gonna wrap these around. It's gonna look really cool. And you want the Trolls character to be facing out. We've got some pretty awesome characters up in here. And now I'm gonna do 3 on this side. Now, if you do have more than 6 slap bands, you can wrap the whole entire handle with these. So this is what it looks like when we put it up. Look at all of the fuzziness that's around it. Okay, next I'm gonna put some toys in here. So you can buy any character that you like from the movie. I'm gonna put Poppy on this side. I'm gonna put the Trolly Sour Bites on this side too, just to add more hair to the basket. Now the candies, you can put them in colors. So I'm gonna put the green ones right here, the pink ones right next to it, and then we've got some blue Reese's. And of course, we've got the Hershey's. These are gonna represent the shiny glitter all over. I'm just gonna put them throughout the whole entire basket here. All right, now the finishing touches. I'm gonna use this Tiny Diamond and I'm gonna put them back here. I also got these. They were in little blind bags. You can maybe find them online. They're little troll hair. I've got another little poppy. Alright you guys, so our Trolls World Tour basket is all done. You could also put some other characters in it like Queen Barb and some different candies. But how cute did this turn out? I absolutely love all of the colors, the candies, and of course the troll hair part of the little handle. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe. And until next time, bye!